Hi everyone, I am doing my review on a mobile app. So I'm going to do Pinterest because I use it quite frequently. Pinterest can be downloaded as a mobile app on your cell phone, your MacBook Pro, or you can use it on your desktop. Pinterest is mobile friendly for sure. I use it on both my laptop and on my phone, like I said, quite frequently. So some of the things I like from a user standpoint is one, it loads super fast, and two, it just really, after looking at my own boards personally and kind of doing that dig through of data, it really does target some of my interests. So I mean, I'm always pinning stuff for my dogs. I love recipes. I'm helping my friend plan her wedding, so wedding stuff is constantly coming up. I'm always looking for new apartment inspo, so apartment stuff's always coming up. Just some cool stuff like that. One thing I really love about Pinterest is that when you click on something and expand it, there's always a description, and also you can go to the website where the content actually is. So that's from a user standpoint. From a metrics standpoint, I think some of the things Pinterest probably measures would be mainly all four things that we've discussed in Module 5, including acquisition, how many people download the mobile app versus how many people use the desktop app, and then the engagement, how many people are engaging with the content that's in their dashboard, whether that be just like pinning it or going to the different websites where the content actually lives. Another thing would end with engagement too is that there's a lot of promoted posts on here, so I would assume that Pinterest is constantly tracking that engagement as well, because those are targeted ads. Retention with the mobile app is probably something that's pretty big. Someone could download Pinterest, but are they using it frequently? Are they a consistent user? If so, what is it that they're using? Or if not, why? Is it drop off because they just don't seem interested? Is it the wrong demographic? And lastly, conversion. What I think the conversion would be for Pinterest is the actual pinning onto your board. So one thing I have noticed over time is that the pinning has become easier and easier. It's more user friendly. So previously when you would pin, you'd have to click inside of the pin, expand it, and then pin it to your board. Now Pinterest is able to say, okay, this is for your dream home, and you can save it to your board. This is for healthy eating, save it to your board. This is for my wedding pins, save it to my board. Same thing here, dream home. And like if it doesn't know, it's super easy to find your boards. They're all listed here on the side. So from a metric standpoint, I really do think that conversion and engagement would be the top two, and then acquisition and retention. Thank you.